Cruiserweight Championship. On the ring, company, Jaden Blacksmith, representing the Outlaw Club. Mathis.
Making his way to the ring from Jacksonville, Florida, weighing in at 216 pounds.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it.
Fresh to the bitch with the ratchet on me. Just case get a little ratchet, homie. Roll something up and pass it to me. King shit so cold, bitch has to know me. Yo, a nigga, I don't know it's nothing, man. Eating pretty good while you lunching, man. Let the seat back so my nuts can hang. Don't talk me to death, nigga, fuck you, man.
He said he'll be making a statement in this match tonight and will deliver it emphatically.
Bitch ass niggas got nothing on me. Yo, a nigga living like a poster dog. Every lane on the freeway and poster hole. And donuts in the middle of nail rolls. Nigga black on black.
Are you
All right, ladies and gentlemen, heading to the ring, representing the Outlaw Club from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing at 198 pounds, Jaden Blacksmith.
And his opponent, first, from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 205 pounds.
Now, here's an example of somebody that maybe benefit from cooling down a little bit. What a bad temper.
Corey, I completely disagree. Their tenacity has been the key to most of their success here in WWE. It's what makes them exceptional competitors.
Title. Just last night on Friday night battleground against Christian team. Into the pay-per-view with their vengeance. Walking to the ring. Feel like he's on a man on a mission tonight. He's not donning the original black and white colors tonight, but he has the purple and blue, still representing the Outlaw Club.
Considers himself main event material, an uncrowned champion. He wants to show exactly why here tonight.
And on the way to the ring, he is the XPW Cruiserweight Champion,
Representing the Ministry
Christian King.
Texas, weighing in at 190 pounds.
This superstar talks about putting everything on the line to be here, not having a backup plan. It's only been this. Is that supposed to be inspirational? All that story says to me is that they're 3 seconds away from losing it all.
Christian King defeating Jaden Blacksmith last night on Friday Night Battleground. Now I have the upper hand as Cruiserweight Champion.
He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE. Superstar for themselves, one-on-one-on-one.
Reversal. Can he take advantage?
From delivering a Uranagi.
Counters that.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. This maniac's out of control. Just a sure sign of desperation.
Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right in the face.
My God.
Oh, my gosh. Terminating knee smash. He's got him scouted.
One response after another. Back and forth we go.
Question what kind of malintent is behind a power bomb with that much force.
High angle exploder suplex.
All the way up. The power of the gut-wrench suplex.
Such a potent display of power and control there. What a barrage of stomps. Putting the boots to an opponent will take the fight out of them in a hurry.
Uh-oh. What a counter. Vicious right forearm. Paint a picture for me, Corey. Hypothetically, what are...
Placing his opponent on the top turnbuckle and a stiff right hand. What happens next will not end well. Please don't do this!
High risk! Superplex to the floor. He's absorbed some damage already. Oh, here it comes. He'll head to the ring.
From the outside, are you kidding me?
Wait a minute.
No way.
Wait a minute.
No way.
Don't do it. Exploder suplex.
Looking for something big here. This'll do it. Up and
Broken arrow.
his eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this.
And he gets his shoulder up before the count.
I suppose you have to take the shot, but it's still too early to wrap up this one just yet. High angle exploder suplex.
Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. Spear! Saw it coming and answered with a sharp elbow.
Each competitor showing they've done their homework. Oh! Kicks to the face. Capped off with a big one.
Showing absolutely no mercy at all. What an onslaught.
A taste for desperation clearly sinking in there.
Both arms captured and vitriolic stomps.
Each of those boots seem to get heavier with each blow.
Sometimes in the middle of a hard-fought match, you need a snack.
I mean, come on. Who bites someone?
You gotta do whatever it takes, Saxton.
Down with a power bomb.
That was a power bomb with one message in mind: absolute destruction.
Kick to the midsection prevents the attack. Oh, look at this. Oh, kicks.
Capped off with a big one.
And any one of those shots could take you out for good.
From delivering a Uranagi.
He's in a little bit of trouble now.
After lasting this long in a triple threat, it'd be a shame to take a nosedive now.
Oh, Byron, this should be your favorite move.
Oh, you know it is. Round and round and round.
He's got one thing on his mind with that chair, and it has nothing to do with lounging.
Super kick for the victory here. Kicks out.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge.
A club with the right forearm. He had it scouted.
Oh my gosh. Terminating knee smash. He's channeling the crowd's energy.
Taking this to the floor. Counters. This could be an opportunity.
Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
Trying to find his bearings, but it looks like his end is near.
Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism.
You can't take much more of this.
Might want to walk it off or shake it off or do whatever he needs to do to get his head in the game here.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Oh, it's coming. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
Glad I put my money on that guy tonight.
Sent into the corner.
Just when you think this match can't get any crazier, you were wrong.
Landslide! Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want.
Boom! Powerbomb!
And he's taking this to the outside now. Every ounce of momentum is now against him.
Yeah, he's really being put to the test.
Returning to the ring now. Running knee lift.
Waiting for it. This one,
A well-timed dodge.
counter after counter. Rolled directly into a mouthful of boot.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Neither one of these men are showing any signs of staying down.
Yeah, but it can't last much longer at this pace.
And misses on the springboard. Big boot. And he's not allowing fatigue to hold him back now.
Yeah, feeling like the home stretch here. It's no time for him to hold back. I can see up to the rafters and there's not a single person sitting down.
What an environment this is. All eyes are glued on this battle.
Hold on.
He foiled that attempt. able to parry that one. Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now. Heads out of the ring. What's next? He'll take things into the ring. Face first. Gosh.
Oh, turn down the lights. Kick everybody out. Cut. Incoming. Good Lord. Taking flight. That's gravity taking a break before coming down like thunder.
I'm gonna lie, bro. She just killed me with that shit, bro.
The giant swing. Oh, man, he has fired up now. He deflects it right back. I think we're about to see it. I can't wait. I love this.
Steps through.
Styles push.
Looks like a match ender.
2. Somehow he kicked out. He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now.
Just dished out his most devastating offense, and you gotta be wondering if he's thinking one more time will be the charm.
Using the legs into a cover. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this. Oh my gosh, terminating knee smash. Uh-oh. He must have seen.
He's trying again.
Uh-oh.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver. Quick exchange, reversing the reversal.
That's me.
Heads out and he has
That's me.
all the time he wants.
That's me.
Ooh, chucked that chair right at him.
Nah, I'm you.
All right, back to it.
Baby,
Returning to
kitchen.
the ring.
Popped right in the face.
Reversal on top of reversal. And he sends him into the corner. Paying it right back with a reversal. From the fishing for something beneath the ring. The steel chair, never as innocent as it looks.
Evading offense.
Oh, the clothesline.
And the blockbuster to follow. Oh, tossing chairs like it's hardcore heaven.
He's getting a little battered now. Oh, he slammed his face right into the barricade.
What a match. What a match.
DDT.
Kneeling.
Their opponent is down and in bad shape, but that's not stopping them. Uranagi.
Treating the torso to yet another attack.
And gets tossed back into the mat. Look at this! Oh, God, that's a bad landing.
My goodness, I think I heard something break on that crash landing.
No. Somersault plunge onto the floor. That's playing fast and loose with your own body.
That is weaponizing your body. That's what that was.
Just stomping every single part of his body. From the middle rope. Oh, the high risk doesn't pay off. Face, meat floor.
I think I see a few teeth on the floor.
He's heading back to the ring.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Rolling thunder face breaker.
Gotta wonder if that keeps him down or fires him up.
I think we're about to see it.
Step through.
Styles push.
He's already spending